Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the C6D Pro AC/DC battery charger by GT.POWER. In this quick video, I'm going to go over its features and specs, show you how to use it, and give you my initial feedback after testing it out. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the box along with the charger, you're getting an AC cable and a user manual which pretty much covers all the functions of the charger. In terms of features and specs, the supported AC input voltage is between 100 and 240 volts. The supported DC input voltage is between 11 to 26 volts. The maximum charge current is 12 amperes. The maximum discharge current is 3 amperes on normal mode and 12 amperes on external mode. The maximum charge power on AC is 100 watts and on DC 300 watts. The balance current is 0.1 amperes and you can charge up to 6S batteries. In addition, the C6D Pro features an internal Bluetooth module that will enable you to wirelessly configure the charger and control the charging procedure using a mobile app which is available for both iOS and Android. As for operating the charger, on its top side you can find a monochromatic LCD screen and 4 buttons that will enable you to set it up. On its left side you can find the DC input which is using an XT60 battery connector, and next to it a servo connector which is used for an external temperature sensor which is not included. On its right side you can find the AC input and an XT60 battery connector and a 6S balance port which are used for charging the connected battery. On its top side you can also find a pretty big fan, and on its bottom side ventilation holes. In addition, the charger weighs 424 grams and its external dimensions are 119 by 122 by 53.5 millimeters. Now, as you can see, I've got the C6D Pro charger powered up. Moving between the different items in the menu is done by short pressing the decrease or increase buttons. Selecting an option is done by short pressing the enter button, and in order to go back, short press the stop button. The first options will enable you to charge lithium, NiMH or NiCd, lead acid or DJI Phantom batteries, so you can select whether to charge Phantom 3 or Phantom 2 batteries. The next option in the menu will enable you to use the charger as a battery cell meter. The next one is used for extended features, which I'm not going to cover in this review. The next 2 options in the menu are the program select save data and load data options. First, under save data, you'll be able to define the battery that you are charging. Then, by long pressing the enter button, define the charging mode, and by long pressing the enter button again, save this configuration. Later, when you want to use a predefined program, head over to the load data option, choose your program, long press the enter button, then confirm the charging action, and then by long pressing the enter button and confirming this charging procedure, it is going to be executed. Next in the menu, under User Set Program, you'll be able to configure the charger, set up the different safety values, and also restore the charger to the original factory settings. And finally, under Test LIXX Internal Resistance, you'll be able to test the internal resistance of the cells of the battery which is connected to the charger. Now, while using the C6D Pro charger is pretty simple, it is even more convenient to use the GT.POWER dedicated app, which is available for both iOS and Android. After powering the charger, you'll be able to open the app on your device, then select the charger, and using the app, you'll be able to select the battery type, select the number of battery cells, which is unfortunately required in case you are charging an LIXX battery, set the charge mode between the different options, and after hitting next and selecting the charge current, you'll be able to start the charging procedure. Then you'll be able to monitor the different values, including the voltage of the battery and the voltage of each cell, and stop the charging procedure. In addition, inside the app, you'll be able to create and use charging programs, which are only going to be available inside the app and not on the charger itself. So you'll be able to select the battery type, battery cells, and then save the program. And on top of that, you can also save the program to your device or print a QR code, which later you can use under the home screen. Finally, another major advantage of the app is that you'll be able to set up the charger in a more convenient way, and you'll also be able to update its firmware. So overall, priced at around $50, the GT.POWER C6D Pro seems like a pretty good option in case you're in the market for a new, relatively low-priced AC/DC charger, as it packs some really nice features, including the internal Bluetooth module. Keep in mind though that I don't have a long-term experience with this charger, but having that said, in general GT.POWER is a known and reliable brand. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.